Hello, Littlesilver family. How are you all doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel and to this video. So today at Expo 2020 grounds, I am going to check out Barbados, which is Rihanna's hometown, and specifically born in the city called Bridgetown. So tour with me. I'm fine, thank you.
This is our Barbados dollars, our bills.
Okay.
It's actually 2 to 1. So 2 Barbados dollars to 1 US dollar.
2 to 1, that's a very strong currency.
It is a very strong currency. We not only have bills, but we also have cryptocurrency.
Okay. So the cryptocurrency is now accepted as a mode of payment?
Yes.
Anywhere?
Right.
In the supermarket or wherever?
Nice. The Charter of Barbados. It was said that George Washington, he used this charter to create the Declaration of Independence for the United States. Barbados is pretty much south of Miami. These are the islands here. Barbados is the most easterly. So Barbados is the oldest rum-making nation. Over 300 years making rum, so we're the best at it. Okay.
I've never had Barbados rum. I think I should find it.
You need to come to Barbados and have it there.
Okay.
It's even better.
From home.
The Barbados economy was built off of sugarcane. These are the byproducts. You have sugar, you have molasses, and of course our rum. It is not only a place to drink, but it's also where the community comes out and you can play games, you can socialize. This is dominoes that they're playing here.
Okay.
And it's also where you can get rum provisions. You can get provisions like bread and cheese and milk. So if you don't want to go to the big grocery, you can just go to the rum shop and grab a few items. Okay?
Yeah.
And that's actually our award-winning beer, Heinz beer. Barbados award-winning beer. Okay, meet President and first female Prime Minister of Barbados, the Honorable Mia. She's all about small islands, sustainability, COVID in the small islands. She has a lot to say on different influences on the Caribbean. Barbados provides free education up to university level for its citizens and free healthcare. Music is called Calypso. Introduce you to the world's best cricketer.
From Barbados.
From Barbados. And he is Sir Garfield Sobers. We call him Sir Gary. He is actually our only living national hero. He's still alive. He should be in his 80s. He held the world record for cricket for 36 years.
Wow.
Yes, it's known for its lovely beaches. Look at the white sand beach, crystal clear waters, and our beaches are full of coral, giving it its beautiful color, attracting different species of fish. The capital of Barbados is Bridgetown.
Okay.
And it's where you have the birthing of the cruise ships. You have the stores in town, you have the markets, you have businesses. It's where we all go, the hustle and bustle. You cannot come to Barbados and not try our food. And who best to try the food with but the locals? So we have a huge fish fry. This is in the Oistins area, which is the southern part of the island, where the beach looks like this. You have the west coast, which we call the Gold Coast, and you have the south. Oistins is in the south, one of the very few places left in the world where you can still drink water from a tap. It's safe, it's pure. It's because of the limestone that we have in the earth. Anytime you come to Barbados, you must do the Harrison's Cave attraction.
Okay.
It's awesome. Girl a couple of days ago, so who created the first search engine? She said, Google. I said, well, I'm going to inform you differently. The first search engine was created by a Barbadian. His name is Alan Eptich, and he created the Archie query. These are three. We are in the top 10 domiciles for insurance companies in the world.
Wow.
Okay. Heard of cornmeal? Maybe like grits. Have you heard of grits?
Yes.
It's like a yellow version to grits.
Okay.
And the okra is the vegetable. It has like a slime. So they use a cocoa stick. They boil the water with the okra and they use that to form this. It's served with sweet potato, pickled cucumber, and tomato. This was created. If you can work remotely, you can get a welcome stamp for 12 months. And the ones in the middle, they are super centenarians because they're over 110 years old.
Over 110 years old?
And I like to talk about James Sisnett, the guy in the white shirt with the glasses smiling.
Yes.
He lived to 113 years old. Well, tennis was created, I think, in the late 60s in Barbados. Yeah. And then the ball is skinned. And the reason for the ball skinning is so that it goes at a quicker speed when you hit it. But it's quite interesting. Suki King. This is not checkers, this is drafts. And he won the world record 12 times. He's in the Guinness Book of Records.
It's Indian game.
Sorry?
It's an Indian game.
No. No, this one is African. This one was brought from Africa. Wari. This one, maybe the checkers, but drafts was born in Barbados.
Because I was thinking draft is from India.
Oh, I'll probably check
I played many times.
Yeah? Because people say checkers, maybe
No,
it's
checker
different.
is a different one.
I know it's different, but I was thinking, okay, no problem, I'll check it. I'll check it, but thanks for that info.
Thank you so much, family, for watching. See you in another video and keep more of Expo information. Bye.